Hey there, this is Vanessa DeBurle, and I'm here to give you a network marketing tip. This will be a very quick video today, but I want to show you how to post your YouTube video to your Facebook page. The first thing you need to do is go to your YouTube channel, select the video that you want to post, and you want to get over here under Video Manager, your whole list of videos. You can click the video that you want to post, and the URL will pop up in the bar, or you can select Edit, and the URL will come up on the edit page. Both ways work, and I'm going to go ahead and copy my URL. You just highlight it, hit Control C, go back to your Facebook page, and right here is where I am going to post it. And I want to actually type my message. I'm not going to do that right now. And then Control V, and I have posted my video. Now, the mistake that most people make is they leave the link in with the message, and you want to get rid of that. It actually helps your video to be seen more if you don't have a link up here in the message. And if you just delete it, just highlight it and delete it, the YouTube video will stay there. When you go to post, let's go ahead and try it. I'll show you how it works. We'll post the video, publish it. Now, if you notice, the thumbprint is kind of cut in half. If it's a video that I just grabbed this one, I didn't make it to put it on the Facebook page, but if it happens to be something that you want to post, if you notice, you might want to have just one full picture instead of something cut in half like that. And you might want to make sure the first few words on your description are something that you want to show on your Facebook page. So you want to have a little bit of strategy there. But I just wanted to post it and show you how this works. I'm just going to click the picture. It's opening up a new link. And there you go. My video pops up. And that is it. It's that simple. I'll make sure you see that it's popping up. And there you go. All right. That's it for today. You now know how to post your YouTube video to your Facebook page so you can share it with all your friends.